Start now. Is it possible for me to change the audio of my video from looking like this? When your friends are Yahoo boys, see them, see how they do hearing, see that was to this. When your friends are Yahoo boys, see them, see how they do hearing, see that was. What if I tell you that you can be able to do this with an AI and in just one click? And the best part is that it is free and can work on any mobile phone. So let's start. So these are the applications we are going to be making use of. Just 3 applications. Number 1, MP3 Video Converter. And it is used to convert video to audio. This app. And you can find the app on Play Store. If you go to Play Store, you'll find the app on the Play Store. The second application we are going to make use of is Adobe Podcast. And it is used to enhance voice, like the audio voice. Yes. Why the third application is what? Is CapCut. That's what it is used to sync audio to video, like to join audio to video. So let's start fully. So first step is convert my video to audio. So how are we going to do that? So go and open our MP3 Video Converter. Go and download MP3 Video Converter on your Play Store. If you don't have it, go and download it on Play Store. And we'll click on this icon and search for the video we want to convert. Yes. Yes. So let me look for the video I want to use. Okay, let me pick this video and convert it with this icon. You see it? It won't take long to be converted. It does take time before it's converted. Sure, you understand? Maybe just 1 second or 2 seconds highest. Yes, that's it. After it is converted, have you seen it to be converted? Next step is to change the audio to a very, very clear audio. And what I'm going to do, we'll go to our browser. You can use either Chrome, Opera Mini, any browser that you like. Yes, you can use any browser that you like. You understand? But I'll make use of internet connection because I love using that internet connection. So I would open it. Yeah, and I'll open the search icon and search for Adobe Podcast. Just look at my site though. I don't know where it's at, but just look at my site. When you search for it and you go, click on go. And click on the first one and it will open. Yes. All of this depends on your network is fast. And you click on what? Sign in. Because you are just signing for the first time. You can sign in with either email or continue Google or continue Facebook or continue with Apple. Anyone that you like. So you understand? Wait, let me log in. So me, I've logged into my Gmail now. Can you see it? I'll click on what? Enhance speech. And choose file. When you choose file, you click on photos and videos. And you pick audio in the upside. Don't look at my side. You see it? You pick audio in the upside. And pick the audio we just converted. The one we just converted with the MP3 converter. Are you looking at my side? I hope you are getting it sharp. Okay, and it will be enhanced for maybe let's say 5 minutes or less than that, depending on how long the video is. Do you understand? Sometimes it can do for 5 minutes, sometimes good or 2 minutes. Yes. So why is enhancing? Do me a favor by hitting that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Yes. So when it's done, you click on the download button because you see download and upload another. You click on download. So it will be getting downloaded. Just look at it too. Downloading should not take time. Depending on your network. Your network is fast to download fast, while it's slow, to be slow. The maximum upload I can upload is 30 minutes, 500 MB, or 1 hour daily because it is free. After it is downloaded, the next is to go to your file on your phone and pick audio. You see video, audio, image. Pick audio and rename the audio we just downloaded. Yes, the reason why I renamed that so that it will be easy for us to search for it. You understand? so that it's easy for us to search it when we are using it in CapCut. So I'll rename it as what? Practical 3568. Any name, you can name any name you like, sha. Do you understand? So the last step is to change. So after you have renamed sha, you save it. Don't look at my side, do. So the last step is to change the audio that we'll be making use of. The last step is for us to change the audio. I'll make use of what? Our CapCut application. So what I'm going to do? Let's head over to my CapCut application and click on New Project. Then select the video that we just changed to audio. Just select the video. Yes. What's first you do? You mute the video audio first. Mute it. Have you seen it? After you mute it, click on audio and press sound. Sorry. Pick the file icon. Just click on my side and press device. Then search for device sound. Yes. And pick practical. Like you search for the audio. The video name that we just changed. The audio name that we just changed. So pick that practical 35. Have you seen it? So that's it. So that's how we get it. Have you seen it? That's the sound we just rename. The audio we just rename. Then let's test it if we got it. So you understand? Then click on add. Then it is added. Then what? Export it. We don't test on CapCut, so we're gonna test on normal gallery. So export it, sha. So when you export it, hit that subscribe button once again. Like this video and turn on the notification bell. So do my next video and it's being uploaded. And when it's uploaded, turn on your notification bell so you still miss my next upload. Yay! Anyway, let's go back to gallery, sha. I'm actually gallery one. So did you see the video we just exported? The new one we just exported. That one that we just added the audio. So anyway, let me play it for you.
Let's come and push. When your friends are Yahoo boys, see them. See them.
You see that it's very simple. It's very simple and it's easy to use. So don't forget to what? Hit that subscribe button once again. Like this video and what? Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my next upload and what? I hope you found this video helpful. See you in my next video. Hi, I'm Good Vibes. Bye bye.